What's up, YouTube? Fuel Up 727 back at you. So, I know about 2 weeks ago I said I was going to release a video of the race between my Camaro and Will's Camaro, 305 versus 355 drag race style. So, here it is. Alright, so from that you can tell that I won my car, not his.
Just a little bit.
It was really close though towards the end.
Yeah, it was a pretty good race. We were both sleeping on the start, but that's okay.
So I went 15.7, he went 15.8.
Yep.
89 miles per hour.
We'll have to add a clip of the time shit.
Alright, well, it was a pretty close race. He actually got the lead on me, as you saw, and then I went past him. Towards the end, though, right before the line, he was like inching up slowly but surely, eating at my back end. So, it was a pretty good race.
Yeah, we're trying to come up around him, but just not quite enough in the little 305.
Alright, so make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, comment below. Fuel up.